In this video, we will learn about how to create this three-dimensional object by using Autodesk Fusion. So here, this arrow mark represents the direction of the front view. So here, this profile will be visible on the front view. So let's create this profile on the front plane and let's try to use the extrude command and extrude this profile for a distance of 60 mm to create this 3D object. Let's jump on to the Autodesk Fusion. Click on Create Sketch and select the front plane because the profile will be visible on the front plane. So select the front plane and make sure one of the point is on the origin. That will be easy to constrain. So try to create the sketch starting from the origin point. So I'm going to use the line command. From here, let me draw a vertical line. So the line is 40 mm. So let me make it approximately nearer to 40 or exactly 40 you can able to make it. Then give the horizontal distance as 15. This vertical distance is approximately 20. So let's try to make a profile approximately nearer to the dimensions given. So this length is approximately 20. Then the vertical distance will be equivalent to this. So to do so, place your mouse over the top point and then if you move your mouse, it will create a tracker. So here, then move your mouse to the approximate distance of 15 mm. So here, let me give approximate. Then draw a vertical line and close the sketch by clicking on the origin point. Now let's try to provide the dimensions for this. So make sure the smaller dimensions you are doing it first so that it won't distort the object. So click on the dimension command and click on the line and give the dimension as 15. This dimension is 20. This dimension is 15. This vertical dimension is 10 and the whole dimension is 40. Now you can see only this line is not black. That means the sketch is not fully constrained over only here. So to make it so, we will make sure this line is having the exact distance of 40 or you can apply the equal constraint between this line and this line. So let's apply equal constraint between this one and this one. Now you can see the sketch becomes fully black in color. That represents the sketch is fully constrained. Okay, let's finish the sketch by clicking on the green tick mark and click on the home icon to view it in 3D. Now you can see this is the profile which is parallel to the front plane. Here is the arrow mark given and let's try to extrude this for the given distance. So the extrusion distance is 60 mm. Click on the extrude command and the profile is automatically selected. If the profile is not selected, click inside the profile to select the corresponding profile and you click on the arrow mark and move your mouse so that you can able to get the 3D object. To get the desired length, you just type 60 so that it will create based on the given distance. So now it is extruded for a length of 60 mm. Now click OK to confirm the object. Now the object is created based on the given dimensions. You can see here in the front view exactly that profile is visible, and this is the object which is given on the picture. Now we have created the actual 3D object. This is given in the figure by using Autodesk Fusion. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.